Check out clearance, guys. Wire in there and just pull the trigger. It's something to look at. Buy one, get one free. So you got a 14-in-1. We got the best deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help out the channel. Alright, they got some clearance here. This is for the outdoor cleanup. They got some bins here. You guys could use it as for the fall season. 23 down from 29. These are actually pretty good size. I wouldn't say contractor grade, but they're still pretty good. 182 down from 249 for this griddle. It is a tabletop local brand. It says smart temperature, so this is actually a pretty nice one. Alright, these are on clearance, at least for the gray ones, but these are the newer ones, the yellowish ones, but the gray ones are on clearance. I could not get a picture for you guys or the price because there were a lot of associates on that area. But yeah, just keep an eye out on your Home Depot. Those mowers are going to go on clearance. And yes, the fire season is here. The fire safety, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire smoke alarms, combination alarms. They're all on sale with the Home Depot. You got the hard bristle brush, medium, and soft. Those are all $19.97, just depending on what you want to get. And then you got obviously the power scrubber. $10.98. These are brand new, guys. I never seen these before. They're actually really, really thick material. I really like what they did with these. They feel a little bit more, actually a lot more quality than the regular ones. They are a little thicker for the winter, as you guys do see the fabric in there. They're A3 rated, cut level, cold weather designed. Alright, they still got these killer deals. $199 will get you a starter kit with two 5-amp-hour batteries, a charger. It will get you a free tool. Especially that vacuum. That's what everybody's getting, that vacuum. It's already sold out at this store. So make sure you guys keep an eye out on that one. Another good one is an extra 5-amp-hour battery and the stapler or the shears. Alright, $129 for the cheaper kit. This is a 2 CP12 2-amp-hour batteries. These are all great tools, especially that inflator the fan. All great tools for that cheaper kit. $99 your choice here on these two. You got a compact drill driver or the light or rover lights, or $79 for the angle grinder or the hex screwdriver. That is the cheaper $129 kit that you have to buy and pick your free tool. Alright, they got on DeWalt for YOLO fans. You got these are on sale. These are all the nailers, framing nailers, 15-gauge angle finish nailer, the roofing, and the blower kit. They're on sale. Alright, buy one get one free. So you get one of these free. You can get the soldering iron, the light. If you buy this combo kit for $229, this is a 2-tool combo kit. Impact driver, drill driver. Alright, same thing with this. You buy this cable stapler and you get some insulated cable staplers valued at $16.98. Alright, $79 for the 2-pack of batteries, $99 for the vacuum. Alright, same thing with this. Buy one, get one free. So you buy this impact wrench for $249. This is a friction ring. That thing's a beast. You get these sockets for $54.97. That's for free. Alright, $249 for that kit. $99 for the compact blower. $179 for the inflator. Yes, do not buy this at $179. Wait up for the holiday deals. They're just around the corner. FYI. $299 for the 2 forged batteries. Buy one of those kits or one of those and get a free gift with purchase. So you get that 2 CP2 amp-hour battery with the purchase of any of those on the left. $29.97 for the 325 lumen flashlight or the 300 lumen magnetic floodlights. $39.97 for the pen lights. $59.97 for the 600 lumen low profile hard hats. Or the stick lamp at $79. That's a 550 lumen. That's a really nice light. Especially because you got rechargeable batteries. Alright, $299 for the chainsaw. It's one of the newer chainsaws. $249 for the dual battery. Same thing with this. It is one of the newer. Buy one, get one free. So you buy the starter kit, get a free light. Those are awesome deals. Even hackable if you need to hack those lights. But yeah, definitely check it out. The rubber lights there. The tower light, the rocket light's not included. Check out this setup. This is a really nice setup. It's kind of pricey. If you guys want something like this, again, wait for the Black Friday deals. Stay tuned on this channel because I will be posting as soon as they drop. All right, so $24.97 for the automatic wire stripper. If you guys haven't used one of those, make sure you guys buy one of those because it'll change your night and day basically. Got a nut driver. That's it right there. All you do is just stick the wire in there and just pull the trigger, and it does it by itself. You got a nut driver there and a whole bunch of bits or sockets, and it is compatible with your impact driver. So you guys do see that picture. You got a 14-in-1. Got some stars. You got some hex, flathead, some Phillips. All the bits are stored in the handle. And yep, right there. And then you got the hex key set. This is an 11-piece. It's actually pretty nice. Really nice label. And easier to look at. Easier to pull out, of course. And as a matter of fact, demonstrating there for you guys. You got the 7 1/4 24-tooth framing. You got $9.97, $14.97 for the 40-tooth, and $19.97 for the 60-tooth. So $29.88 for the 5-piece oscillating blades from the Diablo. Really nice case. It does come with wood and nails in wood and metal blades. So it depends on what you need. You got everything in there in one package. $14.97 for all those, or any of all those. The tape measure already sold out, but you do still have the fastback in this 13-in-1. This is actually pretty nice. It does have a lot of bits inside. Got the fastback utility knife with the built-in screwdriver and bottle opener. So you got a 6-in-1 there. And it is for the fastback style. Alright, safety glasses, my favorite, those 1997 ones, especially the tinted. I do use the clear ones for weed whacking and doing work around the house, chainsaw and stuff. You got the tinted and the clear. Definitely check those out. DeWalt has a whole bunch of deals, especially that $2.99 or $3.99. It's actually basically 99 bucks a piece. Get 2 batteries and a charger for free if you want to look at it that way. All right, quick comparison for the fastbacks. They're actually they do have them right now at $19.97 for a pack of 2. So you don't have to wait for the holidays. Just go to the knife section and you guys could see those. Talking about something I don't show every day. This is a knife sharpener for the Milwaukee, and this is basically for job sites, so it's easier to, very compact. And all right, something to look at. Make sure you guys, whenever you guys are shopping for screwdrivers, make sure you guys look at something like this. These are labeled in color, not necessarily in letters, but if you guys look at the difference on these are you do have to read these. The other ones, just look at the color and just grab it basically out of your toolbox. That'll take a few seconds off your job, your time. And then you got these. These are really nice. They do have a performance grip, magnetic tip, speed zone, and they got a nice grip. Check out clearance, guys. Circular saw. This is a Milwaukee Fuel circular saw on clearance for $129. That's actually pretty good. This one's $159 for the 14-inch. Segmented diamond blade. For the concrete, obviously. You got a tough system, 10 compartment organizer. You got a vacuum for $119 on the clearance section. Make sure you guys double check the prices because sometimes they're even lower than what they show here. Sometimes these are older stickers. $79 for the air tip. And then you got a 40-volt 8-amp-hour battery for $351 down from $389. Power stack starter kit $80 down from $169, and then you got these for $98 and $99 for the drill. You got a battery, 5-amp-hour battery for $90 and $49 for a starter kit for the rigid. Portable power source $34 and for $69 sold out. And then you got an impact wrench stubby, $180 for the kit, was $199. You buy any of these on the left, you get a free gift with purchase, a free tool. So these are all pretty good deals, especially at the hacksaw or the chainsaw, the pruning saw. And those are the other tools that you can select for free. Another clearance deal is angle grinder from Ryobi. This was $98. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. I can't wait to show you guys the Black Friday deals as soon as they pop up. Hopefully, we'll get them at the beginning of October. We're already just around the corner. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed for those deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And you guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys in the next one.